Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this question right here. Here, this question is asking, name the methods to control the speed of DC motors. Now, first you had to know that speed for DC motors, speed is directly proportional to EB over phi. EB over phi. And here speed is proportional to back EMF or induced EMF. Speed is proportional to back EMF or induced EMF. And magnetic flux phi. EB is equal to Vt, back EMF is equal to Vt minus Ia times Ra. This second equation. Now if you plug first equation here N is directly proportional to EB over phi. Then we get, so EB in the equation, let's substitute this EB in the equation 1. So from this one we can get N is directly proportional to, instead of EB we have Vt minus Ia Ra divided by phi. So all of them are directly proportional to the speed. So from this one we can see what are the things that can help us to control the speed. The first one is we have armature voltage. If we change the armature voltage, it's going to change the speed as well because it's directly proportional. So by varying the armature voltage, and the second one is by varying the armature resistance, because Ra, if we change the Ra, that's going to change the speed. By varying the armature resistance, and also by varying the field current or field flux. Ia is field current or phi is field flux. By varying field current or field flux. Okay, and that's how we can control the speed of a DC motor. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn electromechanical system, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.